What is the primary religion of the Philippines?
Roman Catholic. Ay! Kuan! Dili! Iglesia!
What is the original name of Luneta Park? What is the original name of Luneta Park?
Mandaluyong.
5.
Park Ingo?
Wrong. Our content for today is history quiz. Part 2. So kung sa, guys, mga kaisla, review content po ito namin. Titignan po namin kung may natutunan ba sila after 2 years. First question. Ay, din lang ko kayo ba?
Letter S, nag-una yan?
Kasagaran makatubakan ni kay ang mga babae pag elementary. Sige, easily earning her social work merit badge, Josefa Lianes Escuda founded the Philippines branch of what youth organization? Unsa nga organization ang gitukod ni Josefa Lianes Escuda?
Ano naman? School.
Wrong. Next player, please. Sige.
Ay, Chinese.
Sige. Unsa na organization ang gitukod ni Josefa Lianes Escuda? Gitukod, gi-found. Gitukod, gi-5.
S,
Dili S, oy. Dili S ang answer.
Random na siya.
History man. Sige, 5.
School supplies.
Next player, please. What youth organization did Josefa Lianes Escuda found?
Sangguniang Kabataan.
Ng Panglalawigan. Wrong.
Sangguniang Kabataan ng Lalawigan.
Okay, next. Josefa Lianes Escuda founded the Philippines branch of what youth organization?
Like what example?
Youth organization. Sa may mga youth. Mga youth organization. Mga bayot.
Mga bayot.
Sige, 5. 4.
Nasa simbahan ba?
3, sige.
Kana mga
2.
kulitos. Dili eh.
Next player, please.
Mga bayot.
Sige. Josefa Lianes Escuda founded the Philippines branch of what youth organization?
Yuyut? Yuyut? Wrong ya?
Wrong ang yuyut.
Wrong, sorry ka.
Come. Ha? Wrong. Next player, please.
Ya, kaibaw na kuya.
Sige, kid. 5.
Boy Scout?
Oh, next player, please. Ikaw na? Girl Scout. Next player. How many years can a senator hold his position? 5.
Pila man ka years?
Isa ka number akong extra pa. Mga tumukan, hindi na akong dawato. 5.
Tanduay, 65
4.
Pila unsa to ya?
How many years?
How many years? Nga mo.
Kamay mo ka senator, pila man kakatuig mo funding ko? 5. 4.
8 years?
Ha? Next player, please. Wrong.
Ay, pumanaoy.
Dugay day na.
Depende. 5.
Senator?
4. 3.
65.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Lower, lower. 6 years.
Uy, president man to.
Oh, president mo to. Next! Pare naman. Which country... Ay! Which country invaded the Philippines during World War II?
Pansangklang.
Which country invaded the Philippines during the World War II? Isa na akong accept answer.
Invaded?
5.
Spanish.
Next player, please.
Hi! America!
Sige.
America?
Wrong. Next player.
Wala ba? Wrong Japan mo.
Sige, 5.
Japan!
Next, on average, balik na niya, on average, how many typhoons are expected to visit the Philippines every year? 5.
20?
20?
Yeah.
Spell 20. Correct. About 20 typhoons.
Karon lagi ya kay kausar lagi ya.
20 times 1, so 43.
What is the primary religion of the Philippines?
Roman Catholic. Ay! Kuan!
5.
Muslim.
Dili uy!
4.
Iglesia!
Next player, please.
Ayun sa di.
Next player.
Roman Catholic ay.
What is the primary religion of the Philippines?
Roman Catholic.
Next player, please.
Adi day. Sabo, usa day. Muslim born again?
Next player.
Sa barista?
Sige.
Ha? Muslim.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Ay Catholic ra din.
5. What is the primary religion of the Philippines?
Basa man sa mangkangkang.
4.
Sa barista.
3.
Born again.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Wakahibaw.
Give.
Catholic.
Wrong. Next player.
Ay! Awa!
Okay, next player, please. What is the primary religion of the Philippines? 5, 4, 3.
Buddha!
Wrong, next player, please.
Separate!
5, 4. What is the primary religion in the Philippines? 5, 4,
Sa di ka to ba? Kutokotohon.
3, 2,
Angel.
1.
Angel Perry. Dating daan?
Aro. Kinsa lason ni? Mana ka? Sa bag.
Nga niya eh.
Christianity. So kanang inyong pantubag na Katoliko under sa Christianity. Okay, next.
Katolik maliw.
Filipina Lea Salonga has supplied the singing voice of 2 Disney princesses, Mulan in 1998 and what princess who discovered a whole new world in 1992's Aladdin. Kinsa ang pangalan sa princess atong Aladdin? 5.
Hi! Si Princess Alicia!
Wrong, next player please.
I'm not a princess. Sorry, watcher.
Next player. Oh, diba duwa ka buk ang gikanta ni
Tangalan
Kuan.
man to ay wako kamo ay.
Ah,
Mulan og si kinsa man ang kana. Sa Aladdin kinsa man ang pangalan sa princess? 5,
si Princess
4,
Princess Veronica.
3.
Judah.
Next player please.
Kisa ka na si Princess Noah.
Wrong. Okay. Princess.
Zavaya.
Wrong. Next player please.
Princess Imelda Papin.
Wrong. Next player.
Rogya.
Sige. Kinsa tan prinsesa tan nasa Aladdin tan. Charot. 5.
Si Princess Jessica Soko.
Princess Jessica Suko. 5.
Why Chloe?
Katura Aladdin.
Babay.
Nasa Aladdin o princess. 5,
Basta Disney.
4.
Princess Jasmine.
Correct. Sige, next. Cebu City in the Philippines is home to a cross that was believed to be planted in 1521 by Wat M, Spanish explorer, during his circumnavigation of the world. Unsa man ang cross nga naa sa Cebu? Kanang naa sa Santo Niño. Oh, 5, 4.
Mandatory?
Wrong ang mandatory, ma'am. Next player, please.
The M Cross.
Oh. Diba na-cross diya sa kuan Santo Niño? Oh, unsa pangalan ng cross? 5.
Red Cross.
Mary.
Wrong ang Mary si Jane. Ano na Jane?
Cross?
Oh.
Utro po day.
5,
Sikat na cross sa Santo Niño.
4.
Sumaktan. Cross Mactan.
Next player, please.
Crossroad.
Di siya rin gawin kay Boring Bayutan.
Okay, bawo eh.
5,
Ruka.
4.
Mercy? Ay, Mercy po.
Ako iyak yaman ko. Magellan's Cross.
Correct. Magellan's Cross.
Bobo ka ang hulat na.
Magellan's Cross.